Morning.
Yo, ski broski.
DofE actual thing. It's p***ing it down, so that's great.
Go get wet.
Yeah.
Yo! Day one of the proper thing. We're on Dartmoor. It's wet. It's rainy. We're off. We're going, boys. It's wet. It's really wet. Yep, wetness. What's that? Hounds tour.
Hi everyone.
Right. First checkpoint done in 13 minutes. I mean, we're given 35 minutes to do it, so we smashed that. They're going for a wild weed. They're going to get lost. Okay, this is a grave. This is Jay's grave. This is Mummy. This is Millie's carrot.
Can we bury it?
No, don't bury me. We need to go.
No, we don't. We have like. We have summited our first tour. Right, come off the tour that we're on, the forestry.
Dartmoor in all its glory.
And the rain.
With my little flower.
We're in some forest thing. Me and Jay take up the rear, as usual. So, we plan to go on a route that doesn't exist. It's a dead knee. Yeah, we're now in the wilderness. Believe it or not, we are now on the right marked path. It's camp. Woo. Yeah. Where's the light?
Everybody out of my tent. I can't be having this.
How much food you actually should have brought? Oh, carrots.
This is sad how excited we were to see carrots. Oh, carrots!
Morning.
What?
What's up guys, how are you?
We're packing up, the crusty toes are out, on our way. This is the river-ish path. 10 minutes late. Yeah, but we went for a paddle, so it's fine. Oh. Crusty. Hello.
That's it. Wow, it's such a lesbian.
We found some Hobbit bridge thing made out of rocks. Quite cool. Oh, do you reckon we can walk through that?
No. I wanna hold you, wanna hold you. Yes, need it. Oh, tonight. I'm on way. You are another. I'm gonna win you. I'm gonna win you.
Does anybody want to pick poo sticks?
I think poo sticks. Poo sticks. Ready? Oh! Nice, well done. Oh!
Yeah, we went in.
Yeah, me and this one in.
Oh, you? Oh, right.
Yeah, we like took our shoes off.
That wind smells like rain. Yeah. What are you doing?
Lovely seeing you.
You're gonna nail it.
Everyone keeps complaining about how I'm complaining. I'm not gonna complain.
Okay, good. Let's go.
You're gonna nail it.
Literally, there's the vans there. Can't even. Oh, my brush describes that bit. Yeah. Yeah, literally there's no other group coming over that hill. Best scenery. We're the only group that's come over there. We literally so.
He was like, I swear down, I swear down.
Anybody else, you had the most adventurous route yesterday?
Hey. Yeah. Oh my word, we're literally here. Yeah. Oh.
It's been a long day out here in the friend.
We beat them.
And I'll tell you about it.
Hey. We got back like no, I need my hat. Photos for hat. Hat for photos.
Where we
Let's go.
oh, I'll tell you all
We're back. We're back.
I see